My name's Chris DeLever. I work for Harbour Asset Management. I've been at Harbour since 2018 and launched the Active Growth Fund a year later in 2019. The Active Growth Fund is a globally diversified fund, has a target allocation of 70% to growth assets. The key objective for the Active Growth Fund is really to deliver investors a fund that is actively managed at all levels. That's from asset allocation all the way down to security selection. We do that by using our local team based here in New Zealand, and we partner with global experts for global asset classes to meet that objective. So being a growth fund, this fund is suited to investors with a longer time horizon. As far as growth funds go, it is more on the conservative side. A lot of growth funds out there have between 80 and 90% in growth assets. This one is a little bit more on the conservative end with 70% in growth assets. But I'd expect this fund to suit investors with a minimum time horizon of 5 years or more. The Active Growth Fund is widely diversified. That's across various countries, but also by asset type. So one of the differences you might see with the fund compared to other funds is its allocation to private assets. So we see a really good opportunity in the private debt space within Australasia. So we've got an allocation within the fund there. We also see a lot of potential in Kiwi businesses that can be really brave and achieve things on the global stage. So we also have an allocation to early stage companies through some specialist managers like Icehouse and GD1. They're investing in companies like Halter, Aura, and one that was exited during 2024 in Tradeify. So really good exposure across the board, across both private and public markets. So we're really fortunate at Harbour where we've got a really deep local investment management team of about 20 investment professionals. In my team, I work with 4 others in building and managing the diversified portfolios. The way we manage risk in the portfolio might sound familiar to other managers, is we use best-in-class systems such as Bloomberg AIM to ensure that the risk in the portfolio is true to the label of what we are targeting. So with the Active Growth Fund, I think investors are getting access to a wide range of skills which spans beyond Harbour. Our philosophy when building portfolios is to utilise skills where we have them, but to partner with others where we don't believe we're as strong. So in areas such as global equities, we utilise firms such as Rowe Price, big globally recognised firms. On the bond side, we utilise PIMCO, and in more niche areas such as private credit and venture capital, where we think there are really great potentials there for excess returns for investors, we also utilise specialist managers there. I think investment management is quite a humbling sector. For those of us who've been in the industry for a reasonable period of time, it definitely has its ups and downs. And one of the key things that you've got to take out as an investor is where do I have strengths and where can others bring that strength to me. So that's what we aim to do in the Active Growth Fund, play to our strengths, but bring in others where we don't have those strengths.